Hello friends, welcome to part 3 of our English learning series. Today we will learn 20 new words.
Baby,
It has 2 syllables, the stress is on first syllable. Baby means a very young child.
repeat after me.
Baby. Example sentence. The baby is sleeping. Now you make a sentence with the word baby and write it in the comments.
Back,
It has 1 syllable. Back. Back means the part behind or to return.
repeat after me. Back,
Example sentence. I will come back soon. Now you make a sentence with the word back and write it in the comments.
bad,
It has 1 syllable. Bad. Bad means not good.
repeat after me.
Bad. Example sentence. The food tastes bad. Now you make a sentence with the word bad and write it in the comments.
Baggins,
It has 1 syllable. Bag. Bag means something you use to carry things.
repeat after me.
Bag. Example sentence. I put my books in the bag. Now you make a sentence with the word bag and write it in the comments.
Ball,
It has 1 syllable. Ball. Ball means a round object used in games.
repeat after me.
Ball. Example sentence. The children play with a ball. Now you make a sentence with the word ball and write it in the comments. It has 3 syllables. The stress is on the second syllable. Banana is a long yellow fruit.
Repeat after me. Banana,
Example sentence. I eat a banana every morning. Now you make a sentence with the word banana and write it in the comments.
band,
It has 1 syllable. Band. Band means a group of people who play music.
repeat after me.
Band. Example sentence. The band is playing loudly. Now you make a sentence with the word band and write it in the comments.
Bank,
It has 1 syllable. Bank. Bank means a place where people keep their money.
repeat after me. Bank,
Example sentence. I put my savings in the bank. Now you make a sentence with the word bank and write it in the comments.
bath,
It has 1 syllable. Bath. Bath means washing your body in water.
repeat after me.
Bath. Example sentence. I take a bath every night. Now you make a sentence with the word bath and write it in the comments.
Bathroom,
It has 2 syllables. The stress is on bath. Bathroom means the room with a toilet and sometimes a bath or shower.
repeat after me.
Bathroom. Example sentence. The bathroom is clean. Now you make a sentence with the word bathroom and write it in the comments.
Art,
It has 1 syllable. Art. Art means painting, drawing, or creative work.
repeat after me.
Art. Example sentence. I like modern art. Now you make a sentence with the word art and write it in the comments. It has 3 syllables. The stress is on the first syllable. Article means a piece of writing in a newspaper or magazine.
Repeat after me.
Article. Example sentence. I read an article about Canada. Now you make a sentence with the word article and write it in the comments.
Artist,
It has 2 syllables. The stress is on the first syllable. Artist means a person who makes art, like a painter or singer.
repeat after me.
Artist. Example sentence. She is a famous artist. Now you make a sentence with the word artist and write it in the comments.
As this,
It has 1 syllable. As is used to compare or describe something.
repeat after me. As,
Example sentence. He is as tall as his brother. Now you make a sentence with the word as and write it in the comments.
I,
It has 1 syllable. Ask. Ask means to question or request.
repeat after me.
Ask. Example sentence. Please ask me for help. Now you make a sentence with the word ask and write it in the comments. It has 1 syllable. At is a small word that shows place or time.
Repeat after me.
Add an example sentence. I am at school. Now you make a sentence with the word at and write it in the comments.
August,
It has 2 syllables. The stress is on the first syllable. August is the 8th month of the year.
repeat after me.
August. Example sentence. My birthday is in August. Now you make a sentence with the word August and write it in the comments.
Aunt,
It has 1 syllable. Aunt. Aunt means the sister of your mother or father.
repeat after me.
Aunt. Example sentence. My aunt lives in Toronto. Now you make a sentence with the word aunt and write it in the comments.
Autumn,
It has two syllables. The stress is on the first syllable. Autumn means the season between summer and winter.
Repeat after me.
Autumn. Example sentence. The leaves fall in autumn. Now you make a sentence with the word autumn and write it in the comments.
Away.
It has two syllables. The stress is on way. Away means not here or at a distance.
Repeat after me.
Away. Example sentence. She went away for the weekend. Now you make a sentence with the word away and write it in the comments. Great work, my friends. You learned 20 new words today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more parts, and if you want more benefits, join as a member. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next lesson.